In front of me is VIVO Y33s, and let me show you how to activate keyboard clicks on this device. So first of all, enroll the list of all apps and reach settings. Then go to sound and vibration. It's over here, actually, just sound. Scroll down to the very bottom of the list, and here you will notice the L-pad tones. So if you'd like to mute it, just unmark the switcher, and now you will not be able to hear any digit. And once you want to make it active, just make sure that the indicator is fulfilled with color, go back, and now you can hear each tap of yours. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.